Hi everyone, I'm Sumaiya and I will read you a book called Give the Dog a Bone by Allan Ahlberg and André Amstutz. On a dark, dark hill, in a dark, dark garden, there is a little bony dog without a bone. This little dog, all alone, sits in his kennel and dreams of a bone. One night, the dog skeleton goes for a walk all by himself. In the dark, dark street, suddenly he sees an old friend and chases her. This little dog chases a cat, hits a tree and falls down flat.
Quack, quack. Quack, quack.
The dog skeleton loses a bit of himself, but keeps walking. He comes to the dark, dark park and swings on the swings and slides on the slide. He chases the ducks on the dark, dark pond and loses another bit. This little dog chases a duck, loses a leg. What rotten luck! The dog skeleton hops out of the dark, dark park, down the dark, dark street, and into the dark, dark pet shop. Suddenly, he sees some more old friends, and they chase him. Sss, hee-haw, oink, oink, moo, grunt. This little dog slips and slides. Can anyone here see where he hides? Off goes the dog, away from the pet shop, away from the pets, and away from himself. He's lost another bit. The dog skeleton hops up the street and over the hill and down the street and round the corner. Suddenly he meets another old friend and plays with him. Woof, 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 woof. This little dog chases a friend, loses his tail. Is this the end? Men at work. No, it isn't. The dog skeleton hops off again, past the dark, dark police station, past the dark, dark zoo, and into the dark, dark... Hello. Fog! Bits of him gone, lost in the fog. Can anyone see what's left of the dog? No, they can't. The big skeleton on his bike can't, and the little skeleton on his bike can't. Look out! This little dog howls and groans. There he is now, just a pile of bones. But not for long. Soon the big skeleton and the little skeleton gather him up. They follow the trail of his lost bones along the street, into the pet shop, into the park, and back home.
Not completely. It's his tailbone. Look. This dog? Not entirely. It's his leg bone. Dog! 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 Where's the dog?
Then they put him together again. His legs are on wrong, says Little. Woof-oh, barks the dog. His tail is on wrong, says Big. Oh, off, barks the dog. His head is on wrong, says Little and Big. Fow, barks the dog.
For woo! His tail is on wrong. Woof! That's it. Everything's on right. Whoa! Meow.
At last, the dog skeleton is himself again. Woof, woof, he barks and trots off on 4 legs to his kennel. Woof, woof. On a dark, dark hill, In a dark, dark garden, there is a little bony dog. Give the dog a bone. The end. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out the other videos on this channel. Please like and subscribe. Bye.